Hello. Today's topic is age problem. Meron tayong sample ito ng age problem na sasagutan natin para maunawaan ninyo kung paano solve ang isang worded problem na age problem. Sa sample na to, simple nating answeran. There are two students named Johnny and Vic. Johnny is 3 times as old as Vic. 10 years from now, Johnny will be twice as old as Vic. So, meron ditong dalawang character, si Johnny at si Vic. Write natin ang pangalan, Johnny at saka si Vic. Then, sabi sa problem na to, meron siyang present at saka future time. Dalawang preference ng time. Yung present tsaka yung future. So, sa present, ang age ni Johnny, assume natin na J. Ayan. Si Vic naman, sa present, ang age niya is B. So, write din tayo ng mathematical equation. Ito naman, mathematical equation. So, sa first sentence, the second sentence, Johnny is 3 times as old as Vic. Yung word na is dito means equality, equal. So, J, sabi sa sentence, Johnny equal 3 times as old as Vic. Yung 3 times is multiplication. So, 3 times the age of Vic. What is age of Vic? B. Okay. Ito ang first equation. So, ito naman tayo sa future. 10 years from now means future. Ano yung age ni Johnny sa future na 10 years from now? So sa present is J. 10 years from now, magiging J plus 10. Ganun din si Vic. Yung present age niya, plus 10. So, ano yung second and third sentence? Johnny will be twice as old as Vic. So, yung age ni Johnny sa 10 years from now is J plus 10 is equals to twice. Means, yung will be dito means equal. Yung twice is 2 times. Ganyan. 2 times age ni Vic. Ano age ni Vic? B plus 10. That is age ni Vic 10 years from now. So, simplify natin. J plus 10 is equals to 2 times B is 2B. Plus 2 times 10 is 20. So, eliminate natin yung 10 by subtracting 10 both side. So, canceled. J is equals 2B plus 10. Ito yung equation 2. So, para makuha natin ang age ni Vic, substitute natin yung equation 1 to equation 2. So, substitute equation 1 to equation 2. Ano yung equation 1? Yung J is 3B. Dito, substitute natin sa J na to. 3B is equals to 2B plus 10. So, subtract natin ng 2B, both side, para may eliminate. 3B minus 2B is B is equals 10. 10. Ito yung present age ni Vic. Ito yung pinapahanap. 10 years old. 10 years old. Ito na yung answer. Kailangan i-confirm natin kung masasatisfied sa binigay na problem. Sabi kasi dyan, 10 years from now, ang edad doon ni Vic ay double sa edad ni Johnny. Kung yung Vic is 10 years at present plus 10 years, 10 plus 10, Vic is equals to 10 plus 10, that is 10 years from now, the age of Vic is 20 years old. Sabi niyan, after 10 years, kailangan daw yung edad ni Vic is double, twice the edad ni Johnny. O si Johnny naman, Kung kukuhanin natin to, that is 3B. Ano ba yung edad ni Big is 10. So, magiging 30 to 30. Plus 10. Plus 10. Ang edad ni Johnny is 40. 40 years old. So, tama siya. Okay. Pero ang answer niya, ito is 10 years old. So, pinapahat lang naman is Big age at present.